Hi, it's Nick at Jordan Bikes again, and look at this bad boy, Kawasaki ZX6R EDF model. These come with the adjustable power modes, the Kawasaki adjustable traction control, shower forks. They're an absolutely awesome piece of kit. This one's a 13 plate, it's done 7,641 miles with a full service history. He's had a couple of quid spent on bits and bobs as well. We've got some R&Gs, it's got a seat cowl, and best of all, it's got a Yoshimura carbon exhaust. That is worth a bob or two, is that? It sounds sweet. I'll start it up for you. If it's a little bit too cheeky sounding for you, we've got a baffle for that as well. Anyway, it's £6,190. If you want to give it a go, give us a call. Thank you very much.